How to recover Facebook account. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily recover your Facebook account without email or password. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your Facebook, and once you're on the login page, tap on forgotten password. Here you're just going to have to enter your phone number, or if you have your email connected, you could use email instead. So I'm just going to quickly enter my email address right here. And once you've entered your email, tap on continue. And it will show you all of the available accounts. But if your phone recognizes, you might be lucky and be logged in instantly, just like this. But if you are not able to do that, open up Google Chrome. And then here you're just going to have to search for Facebook support. Once you search for Facebook support, hit enter. And then simply go ahead and go to the first link, Help Center. Here you're just going to have to go to the option account settings, or just recover account. Hit enter, and it will show you all of the related articles regarding recovering your account. So if you tap on recover account, you could troubleshoot and recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. So if you think your account was hacked, go to facebook.com/hacked. Now once you've done that, you can just select what happened. So let's just select any one region and then tap on continue. Wait for a bit. Now Facebook will ask you to secure your account, so just tap on get started. And here Facebook will automatically check all of your details to secure your account. Now go ahead and tap on continue. Here you'll just have to enter a new password. So type in your current password or the last password you remember, type in the new password, and then tap on continue. And after that, you should be able to log into your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.